Hi everyone, how are you all? In this session, we are going to do some set of questions related to similar triangles and proportional parts. But the unique thing which I'm going to tell you in this is 99.9% people make mistake in the first question itself, and they most of them, 99% people, don't expect the answer to be in that kind of way. So what is that thing? So you can try first question first, you can try it yourself, and then we can move on to solve the answers. Because this is a very, very unique question. The question number one: whatever you think, whatever you try your tricks or agendas to solve this question, but it is impossible to think. In this question, the only clue I can give you is you need to think out of the box. If you're not thinking out of the box, you won't be able to solve this problem in the whole world or in your exams or anywhere. So the question is very, very unique, and we are going to solve this out. In the figure above, if AB equals 6, this is your AB, DE is equal to 3, and BD is equal to 12. What is the length of AE? So you have this length, AE. So you will be thinking, okay, what should I do? There are 4 choices given to you. You can try it yourself, because this is really, really, really an outstanding question, a unique question where you literally have to think out of the box, otherwise you cannot answer this question. So but it doesn't mean that it's really, really tough. It's nothing like that. It's nothing tough, it's nothing hard. If you can think unique, if you can think creative, if you can think out of the box, you can easily solve this question. So it's neither like that, but it's very, very interesting, I must tell you. So you have something like this, and you would be thinking, okay, let me just find out some angles. This is 90 degrees. Okay, this is 90 degrees. So how will I match up with these two angles are equal because they are vertically opposite? And how can I make this angle equal to this? If this side is given, how can I make this two, how can I find that two angles or sides? If this side is given, how can I find out the other two sides? So doesn't it look little bit tricky? Yes, because you won't be able to find out, because there's something missing, because there are some parts missing, where if you try to use any, because there's one more part missing, so you won't be able to find out easily. Here you have to literally think out of the box. That's what but that's what I'm saying again and again, and that's only the clue. Think out of the box, out of something. So it's nothing inside this picture. You have to go beyond that, you have to go outside that. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line parallel to BD. That's EF. That's what I'm doing outside this picture. So I'm going to connect a line parallel. That's what I'm going to draw, a line parallel to BD, and let me name this point as F. And I'm going to extend from B to F as well to join that. So I have B to F connected. That's so BD is parallel and congruent to EF. And we have extended AB also to point F. This line AB to F. And that's the main part of this question. That's it. Now, if you're done with this, you have thought outside the box, and you've drawn literally outside the box something, so that will bring you the answer. This is the right angle. Now if you see, that we have drawn a right angle. Since EF is parallel to BD and angle F is a right angle, you can say that BD is equal to EF. BD is given to you as 12. So EF is also 12. If BD is 12, EF, this whole length is also 12. And DE and BF. Now see, you can see that DE and BF are parallel to each other, so they are equal. So if this is 3, this is also 3. So you've got some sides, you've equated some sides. Now can you think of something? What will be AF? The total of AF would be 6 plus 3, that's equal to 9. So total AF is 9. And now what else? You have this side, you have this side, and I think you hopefully got it into the mind, and that hits directly to the mind. What you're going to use now is Pythagoras theorem, because you have a right angle triangle, you have two sides given. So that's a simple way to do it. Okay, let's write down. That's equal to AF, I'm going to take this AF square plus FE square, because these are the sides, which is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. What is your hypotenuse? That's AE. Finished. Wasn't that simple? You just had to think creative. You just had to think outside the box, nothing else. AE square. So what is your AF square given to you? That's 9 square. Plus FE square is 12 square is equal to AE square. That's what we are finding out. What is the length of AE, and how simple was that? So AE square is equal to 9 times 9. That's 81 plus 144. That will give you 225. So AE is under root of 225. That's equal to 15. That's it. That's your answer, D. How simple. I made it. Amazing. Okay. Let's see question number 2. So this was literally outside the box question. Very unique. I just loved it. And let's see what we have in question number 2. Question number 2 says, in the figure above, angle B is congruent to angle D. This is your angle B, this is your angle D. If BC equals 16, this is 16. CD is 10, this is 10. And CE is 11. What is the length of AE? And you have been given 4 choices. You can try it yourself, and then we can just look into the answers. Okay. Here, first thing, whatever is given to you, that's given to you. Angle B is congruent to angle D. So, and you can say angle ACB. This angle, can you see? ACB, this part. This angle is equal to angle ECD. How? Because they are vertically opposite angles. So these two angles are equal because they are vertically opposite angles. And so you can say that triangle ACB is congruent to triangle ECD because of angle-angle similarity. That's done. If two triangles are similar, we say that they are in proportion. The corresponding sides are proportional. So we are going to write in proportion their sides. So BC, so we can write that in proportion. BC is to DC, or CD, you can write anyway, is equal to AC over CE. That's it. CE or EC, anything. So whenever you have two triangles similar and congruent to each other, you can write their sides in proportion. That's one main thing. If you know this, then you're done with the answer. So you have this as 16 over 10, which is equal to AC. BC is 16, that's what I've written. DC is 10, that's what I've written. AC, we don't know. And CE is 11. That's it. Now you just have to cross multiply and find out the value of AC. That's what they want. Sorry, they want the length of AC. So you have AC is equal to 11 times 16 divided by 10. So that will just give you 17.6. That's your answer, C. 17.6. Okay. If they literally want AE, then you can just add up the lengths, that is 11 plus 17.6, that will give you 18.6. But there's no option because the question is AC. You have to find the length of AC. That's it. That's 17.6. Okay, let's move on to another question. Question number 3 and 4 refer to the following information. So you have two triangles. They are similar to each other. What are the two triangles inside one triangle only? And this is really something outstanding because you have seen one triangle beside another triangle and you've proportionated that. But here you have one triangle, that is BDE, and another triangle as BAC together in one picture. So in the figure above, DE is parallel to AC. So whenever you have a parallel line which is parallel to one side of the triangle and intersects the other two sides of the triangle, then you can write their sides in the proportion. That's one main thing. What is the value of x? This is x, and it's really simple to find out. So we are going to write this in proportion because whenever triangles are similar, you are going to write that in proportion. That is BD, this is your side, BD over DE. So I'm going to write that BD over DE is equal to BA over AC. So BD over DE is equal to BA over AC. That's it. You can write the sides in proportion. So now what is our BD? That's 12 over DE is 9, which is equal to BA is 12 plus 8, 20. AC is x. So you can easily find out the value of x. X is equal to 9 into 20 divided by 12. And that's equal to 15. Done. How simple was that? Very easy. You just have to understand how you write the sides in proportion. That's it. The next question is similar to this picture itself. So what is the value of y? Where is our y in the picture? The side. Again, you need to write the sides in proportion. That's it. So we are going to take BD over DA is equal to BE over EC. That's it. We are going to write the sides in proportion. That is BD over DA. That's your BD over DA is equal to BE over EC. That's it. BE over EC. And what is your BD? BD is 12, DA is 8. 12 over 8 is equal to, what is your BE? That's 7.8. EC is Y. So you have 7.8 over Y. So Y is equal to 7.8 multiplied by 8. 7.8 multiplied by 8 divided by 12. So that's equal to 5.2. That's your answer, A. 5.2. And here you have 15. That's your option B. So that's really simple. Whenever you have questions like this, triangles similar to each other and you have proportional parts in them, so you can easily proportionate the sides and you can find out the answer. And it's really simple, nothing tough. Question looks tough and daunting, but nothing like that. So if at all you like this session, please don't forget to share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. Take care.